Alright everyone, Edwin here, back again with another tutorial. This time is for the email editor. For those guys who are interested in creating your own email that's not using, I want to say Klaviyo, I personally like to use Drip. And in this example, we're going to use postcards. It's going to be in the link in the bio. For those who are totally new to this channel, my name is Edward Anthony. I am the owner and founder of Resolutions Design. I create websites for businesses, and in this tutorial, I am going to show you one of my clients' website. My client's website, her business name is Lilyfield Homes. We're actually doing some of our marketing, and in this training, we're going to create an email that is going to be very custom, and the whole purpose of this is so that she could have a custom email in her CRM account or so on and so forth. Okay, let's get started right away, guys. So one of the first things that I will strongly recommend is to have what's called an email planning folder. So an email planning folder, as you can see right here, I have the logo and I have several products. And you guys are going to see why all of this stuff makes sense in a second. But if you guys want to follow this tutorial, just make sure you have like the logo ready, you have like some products that you want to showcase. Just have it in a folder ready before you actually begin. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to start a brand new project. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to create this project, and it's going to be called Lily Fields Email Last. Okay, and let's just save that right there. Okay, great. So the first thing that we're going to do on this, it's a very simple drag and drop, right? I hover over right here where it says menu. Let me just expand this right here and let me see if I could show you so that you guys are not like, Edwin, what's going on? Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and also smash that like button if you like videos like this. Let's go ahead and zoom in. Okay, that's better. So check this out, guys. We have menu, right? What do we want on the top? We could have like a menu style. We could have a header style. And as you can see, all of these beautiful components here. Beautiful, beautiful components that are preset. Rather than like, well, do you like this template or do you like this? No, these are actually preset components. Very beautiful. Contents. Do you want to put like some type of contents like logos? You want to publish blogs, editor's pick. Look at that. Very beautiful. Okay. This is gorgeous. Right here, features. What do we want to put there? Call to actions. Okay, let's get right to it. So over here, what I'm going to use as an example, I'm going to use this one right here. I'm going to pretend like we're going to add a new featured product. Okay. And right away, what we want to do is kind of like do some editing. So I'm going to click on this, and you're going to notice this on the side. So let's go right here where it says logo. Let's go change that logo. So I'm going to say image change, and I'm going to go to that email planning, and I'm going to select the logo. That's why I told you that folder is very important to have ready. Okay, and you notice that this one comes out a little bit too small, so what we're going to do right here is just put it to like, let's say 230. Yeah, 230 pixels wide. And then after that, if someone were to click on this, where do you want them to go? Here it is right here. We want the image link upon click to go to the actual website itself. So I'm going to triple click on this, press copy, go back to where we left off, and triple click here and press paste as a shortcut, and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and press done. Let's see what else we could do to this, just so that it saves it. This saves automatically, by the way, guys. We say introducing. Oh, let's see if we could change this picture. So let's go over here to where it says image. We're gonna change this image into, let's see which product. Let's change it to this product right here. Okay, so it's important for you guys to have like quality pictures that look very nice, that have a white background, so that the email looks very, very clean. Okay, now is this big enough. Let's see, 400. 400 looks nice. Okay, we're gonna leave that there. Then from there, let's go ahead and collapse that. And let's see what we could do for the title. A lot of this stuff is very self-explanatory, right, guys? So we have this tray right here. Let's see if we could get some information about that particular tray. If I go to casseroles on our collection, rectangle beaded casserole holder. Let's go back. Casserole holder. Okay, if I spelled that correctly. Okay, and then once we have that, let's see that subtitle. Introducing, text size 14. Maybe we could make it something like 25. And maybe we could change the color of that to like something like this, because I want to make sure that it stays within our brand, something of the sort. Okay, and then from there we have the subtitle, right? And let's see how we could change this wording right here. So I want to talk about the product itself. So right here, let's see if I could just kind of like copy paste this information here, copy, and just kind of put that back into the text. Triple click on that and then press paste. There it is right there, right? So we have this done, this done, this done. We got the picture done. We got some things going on here. And then we want to manipulate that button. So let's go manipulate that button. We're not going to say download manual. Pre-order today. Our website is kind of like very minimalistic. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And that button, pre-order today, upon click, let's program it. So I'm going to go right here and triple click on the landing page of this particular thing right here. And I'm going to press paste so that if someone clicks on this one, they go to that that particular landing page, which is this right here. Okay, so that's what this means. All right, and let's go ahead and press done, and we are done just with this part right here. But we're not done with this, right? But if we wanted to, we could preview it. How would this look like before we even move forward? So I'm going to go right here where it says preview, and let's see if I could preview this in a browser. And this is how it would look like on a desktop, but then this is how it would look like in a mobile. So far, so good. Okay, let's continue editing. So we have this component here. What else can we add? We can add, let's say, a call to action. So the call to action, we're going to go right here. I like this one. We're offering some type of a discount. So let's click on this and let's go and do some edits. Save 20% off for Father's Day. And then we have a voucher code. See it right here, voucher code. So this is important. You guys need to make sure that you first create a discount code on Shopify. Create a discount code, you know, call it whatever you want. And once you have that ready, you could go ahead and change the text over here. Right there. So let's pretend that you made a discount code called Father20. Okay. Once we do that, how do we change this stuff here? Let's go to buttons, sail away. Make sure that we click on the edit. Where do we want to take them? Well, we want to take them to the store, right? So that they could use the discount code. So for now, what we're going to do is we're going to go right here where it says bestsellers. And we're going to copy this collection because we want them to use the discount code based on, you know, what people want to buy. And say right there. And we're going to leave that button just like that. No minimum order value. Make it nice and attractive. Okay, we're done there. Now, what else can we do? Let's add more components to this. Let's add an e-commerce. So right here, I'm at where it says e-commerce. In e-commerce, there's so many nice things. You could have like a new arrivals where it's just one product. You could have another angle where it's like, this one looks like everything is just perfectly centered. But then this one, it looks like everything is kind of like aligned to the left. Or this one is just a little bit, it doesn't have such spacing. It's like more condensed, right? It looks more condensed. But this one looks nice. I like this one, where it shows kind of like a collection. And I think that this might work out. So let's go ahead, click this, and let's drop that there. Drop it like it's hot. All right. So once we have this here, we have just some generic things, right? So far, it's looking pretty decent. But let's go ahead and edit this, right? So I'm going to try to do this as quickly as possible, guys, so bear with me. Okay, so we got the title. We're going to call this bestsellers. Okay, bestsellers. General, I'll leave that there. The button upon click, see all, right? See all bestsellers. Triple click, we're going to take them to the bestsellers collection. So if they click on this guy right here, it'll take them to the bestsellers collection to see everything. All right, what's next? We got that button out of the way. Let's tangle with the products. So with the products, I'm going to go ahead and edit the first one. Let's change this image. We're going to start with the boot. We got the boot right there, right? And we scroll down. Let's change the name of this boot. So according to this website here, it's the LG Cowboy Boot Wine Holder. Okay. How much does this cost? $96, right? So we're going to go ahead and triple click on this text. Just like that, okay? And shop now, okay? What's the URL? Let's click on it. This is the URL. Right click, copy. There's the URL. That way that whoever sees this, if they click on shop now, they don't go to like a collection page. They go directly to that product. That's what you want, right? We're going to keep that button just like that. But if you want to change the color, here it is. Okay. We're done with that. We are done with that one product, right? We got to do the other ones. So I'm going to try to see if I could do this very quickly. So far, so good. All right. Let's add a few more things here before we actually almost call it a day. Let's add some call to actions if they want to go ahead and follow us. Right? And then you guys could go ahead and alter that. And then that's it. We want to kind of like end it with a footer. So we'll go ahead and do something like this. Okay. And then right here, I'll set another video to talk about the footer as to how you're supposed to program it for the unsubscribes and all that stuff. But if you click on this right here, you get to see column number 1, follow us. We're always looking for new exciting projects. So follow us, kind of like, you know, you put whatever you feel that is appropriate there. You know, we will always showcase the latest and greatest casserole dishes, etc. And then from here, let's see, you could go ahead and column number 2, contact us, right? And you could show where you're located, and then you could update the phone number and the email address and mail to, and so on and so forth. Okay, so now that we got this going on, how is this all going to look like? See how it automatically saved? It's very nice. So let's go ahead and preview that again. We'll preview this in the browser. And then the browser is pretty much going to show you the same thing as what we were looking at before, right? Very nice. But in the mobile, it's going to look like this. Okay? That's how it's going to look like in the mobile. And we could go ahead and test this out as well. We could go right here to where it says email the preview. So go ahead and email that out to me. Once you have all this set up, of course, it'll take its course. Okay, and so that's when it says, all right, we're going to go ahead and send it out to the email address. So you could go ahead and either change that or do whatever you like. And then let's say send, right? And then once that actually sends out, then it's just a matter of time for that to show up right here. And here it is. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And there's the email. Very, very nice. Of course, you could always update this if you feel that, this is kind of like, too long, because you want to kind of keep it synergy, right? You want to keep it, just kind of nice and tight there. And that's how it is. You could also test out like the call to actions, right? Click on sail away, click on that link, and then it will take you to the destination where it was programmed to take you. You see how that did that there? And so that's how you do it. All right, guys, that is the end of the video. What we've learned today is how to set all of this up. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to export out this content into Drip, because that is the platform that I use the most. Drip, love Drip. I used to like Klaviyo. I'm not very favorable of Klaviyo. Drip all day. Next video, I'll show that up there. Again, if you enjoyed videos like this, let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, also let me know. Talk to you soon.